Bear. Get it. Rudder, go get your toy. Go. Go get the fender. Go get it. No, that's the rope. That's the wrong toy. Rudder, get it. No, not that. Wrong toy. Rudder, go get the fender. Go get it. Get it from her. Rudder, go get the fender. Why are you so dumb? Bear, why are you so crazy? Bear, or Rudder, rather. Come on, get it. There you go. Come on, Bear, come here. Oh, he's so dumb. So that would be Brian in his car that he rendered undrivable trying to change the oil. What? Hey, it's going on YouTube.
Leave it.
Hey, leave the oily glove that Brian's trying to kill my dog with. What was that? You made your car undrivable while changing the oil? I'm sorry, I didn't quite hear you. Yeah, never poke a hole in your oil thingy unless you have a backup. Then you can't drive it.
I thought you were my friend.
And now we have a fully working Toyota over here. And the broken Volvo. Toyota? Volvo.
How many boats do you have?
What kind of biohazard? God, you're gonna get this boatyard, dude. Oh, there we go. Get her, Rudder.
Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.